Join us on a step-by-step guide from Cancún International Airport to Playa del Carmen, and we'll also guide you on the return trip from Playa back to the airport. Today, we'll be traveling on the ADIO bus. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, like, and share so we can continue to provide you with the best in travel tips, news, and information. So you just landed in Cancun and you want to go to the beautiful beaches of Playa del Carmen? You have a few options, and we have used most of these in the past, except for the Maya train. That's a new addition to the list. I think that means we have to take another trip to Playa to check out the train and do a review. But for today, we're going to focus on the ADIO bus. Well, let's start from the beginning. I was taking off from the very nicely renovated Terminal A at Newark Airport. This renovation was a long time coming, and they did a good job with it. Nice job, Newark Airport. Today I'll be flying on JetBlue. I really enjoy JetBlue for these flights. The seats are very comfortable for an economy seat. So all I had to do now is sit back, relax, and enjoy my 4-hour flight to Cancun, Mexico. And one thing great about traveling is leaving a cold weather climate to a nice, beautiful, warm one. And it was a gorgeous Cancun day. As soon as you get off the flight, you're welcomed to Mexico. So just follow the crowds and the signs to immigration. And they wouldn't let me film through immigration, but that's okay. I understand. After immigration, just walk straight through to pick up your luggage if you checked any. You'll see many carousels to your left. Many times on the plane, they'll tell you which carousel your bags are coming in, but if not, just check the handy monitors above to see which carousel your bags are coming in on. Fortunately for me, I didn't check a bag today, so off to find the bus kiosk to get my ticket to Playa. Just make sure you have nothing to declare and walk through the sliding glass doors. Once you get through the glass doors, make a left. Now basically when you're leaving an airport and you're not quite sure which direction to go, for the most part, following the crowd usually works. Okay, maybe not in life, but at the airport, it seems to work. Now as you're leaving the airport, you might feel inclined to withdraw some money. Personally, I prefer to always go into town to a reputable bank and use their ATM. You usually get a better rate. So as you're walking down, you're going to pass by a plethora of car rental places that will be calling out to you to rent their car. Just say no gracias and move on. As you approach the next set of sliding glass doors, on your right, you'll see the first of 2 ADIO kiosks. Now this one was closed, but if you walk through these glass doors, you'll find one that's open. And don't worry, they usually have at least one open during business hours. But as we move a little closer, we can see that they tell us that this kiosk is closed. Please move on to the next one. And you could also see the kiosk's hours of operation from 7:30 in the morning to 2300. Now we take a walk through the next and last set of glass sliding doors. And as you notice, there's an open ADIO kiosk to the right, which is directly across from the exit of the airport. And it's very simple to get your tickets here. The women working here today were extremely nice. Just tell them where you're going and they'll get you a ticket for the next bus. Let's take a quick look here at other destinations that ADIO travels from the Cancún International Airport. And you can conveniently pay for your ticket with credit card, pesos, or debit card. As you can see, there's quite a few buses that travel throughout the day to Playa del Carmen, as well as Cancun, every 30 minutes. So if you miss one, don't worry about it. There'll be another one coming around soon. So now let's look at your best options for buying your bus tickets. We just showed you how to buy them at the airport. Later in the video, we'll show you how to buy them at the bus station, as well as on the website and their app. As you see here, you can download the app through the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or the App Gallery. Now we're going to take you on a step-by-step journey on how to buy bus tickets through their website. First, you have to decide which station you want to arrive at in Playa. For our purposes, we're going to arrive at Playa del Carmen Turistica, or Tourist. It's right on 5th Avenue, so it's very convenient. And on the return trip, we're going to go to Playa del Carmen Alternative or Alterna, just because it's closer to our Airbnb. Okay, now we're on the website booking our bus trip. First, you have to select where you're coming from, Cancun Airport or Aeropuerto Cancun, and which terminal. In our case, it's Terminal 4. And your destination, which will be Playa del Carmen Turistica or Tourist. Now let's select our date and time. From what I see here, the buses do not run 24 hours. They seem to stop sometime after midnight and start again early in the morning, but that seems to change depending on the day. Okay, now let's search for our bus. And as you can see, the price for this ride is 250 pesos. And you can see the buses run quite often, so you'll easily find a ride that fits your schedule. And you can see some of the amenities offered on the bus: TV, recline seat, and air conditioning, which I feel is a necessity on a Cancun bus. Okay, let's select the 1210 bus arriving at 1350. Now it's our turn to select our seat at no extra cost. And you have a handy chart at the bottom to tell you which seats are occupied and which are open. Fortunately for us, this bus is totally empty, so I can select whatever seat I want. Now you have to fill in the passenger's information, and yes, you have to fill it in for each passenger. Put in your first name, last name, email address twice, and of course agree to the terms and conditions that nobody ever reads, and then continue. Now on this page, they offer for 15 pesos, asistencia total. It's some sort of health and emergency protection. I started reading it, but after about the 4th page, I got bored, so I stopped reading. But if you have health issues or you're just a cautious person, for 15 pesos, you might want to include this option. If you have any more information about this, please let us know in the comments. Anyway, I usually turn off that option and move on to the payment screen, where you can pay with credit, debit, PayPal, or Efectivo, cash. But if you pay cash, you have to go to one of the local stores to pay it, so most people will use credit or PayPal. But today, I ended up buying the ticket at the airport, and here is my actual ticket. Okay, now I think it's about time that we head out of the airport and get to our bus. Now, you might have some drivers near the exit of the airport trying to get you in their car or taxi for a ride. They'll tell you the bus just left, the next bus is coming in an hour. Just ignore them or say no gracias and just exit the airport towards your bus. As you walk down this corridor, you'll pass a few more shuttle and taxi services and a few people calling out to you if you need a taxi or a car. Just walk by, say no gracias, and keep on moving. This walk is a little longer than I remember, so let's just speed this up a bit. As you're walking down, there's a mini mart on the right-hand side, just in case you need a little food or drink before you hop on the bus. As you get to the end of this corridor, make your way to the right towards section D. Here you'll see a lot of people for hotel pickup, car and taxi services. But for you, just walk straight ahead. I know, it seems like a lot of walking, but it's really not that bad. Plus you can't complain. The weather here is incredible. And as you're walking down, you'll see those classic red Adio buses in the background. As you can see, there's a bus waiting there now. And if you're not sure when your bus is coming, which bus is yours, they usually have a person standing by, or sitting in this case, to give you all the information you need. Just ask them or show them your ticket. They'll help you out. Here comes the next bus now. Unfortunately, it's not mine, it's going to Tulum, but the next bus in was mine. And even though there weren't many people waiting, the bus still could be crowded because remember, it goes to other terminals. Store your big luggage under the bus or take your small luggage or backpacks on board. And in case you're still not sure this is your bus, check out the sign in the front. Okay, let's get on the bus and show you around. As you walk on the bus, you can tell it's got this somewhat modern look and it's clean. Now that's a great start. And we give you a nice view of the bus as I go and try and find my seat. These seats are quite nice and comfortable, and they have a decent amount of cushion to them, so you could relax during the ride. They have a cup holder on the corner of each seat, and at the bottom of the seat in front of you, a little footrest. And a few TV screens scattered throughout the bus, just in case you want to watch an old sitcom or movie and brush up on your Spanish. They also have these nice curtains to block out the sun, just in case you want to read or even sleep. They have storage above the seats for smaller luggage and backpacks. Your larger luggage will be going underneath the bus. And above each seat, you have your typical vent and light. In addition to that, you have a USB plug. At first, I thought it was kind of odd that the plug was above me, but it kind of worked. It kept the cable out of my way. Now to one of the more important things for many people, the bathroom. Yes, it does have a bathroom. It's in the back. You can see by the green light it's unoccupied. Let's take a closer look. It's actually a nice sized bathroom for a bus bathroom. It's clean, well stocked. Nice job, Adio Bus. Fortunately, we didn't hit much traffic, so we arrived in early, a little under an hour. Not bad. Welcome to the Playa del Carmen Adio Turistica bus station. And this is where we just got dropped off. Now, I just want to show you where you come in if you're going to buy tickets or take the bus. It's really convenient. It's right off the southern tip of 5th Avenue. And as soon as you walk in, walk straight ahead, and that's where you buy your tickets. And to the right is where you catch your bus. Now I think it's time we get out of the bus station. As you can see, straight ahead, they have a little bit of a seating area, just in case you want to get in out of the sun or the rain before your bus trip. Now let's walk out to the famous Quinta Avenida, Playa's 5th Avenue. And as soon as I walked out that door, I could feel the heat. It was another gorgeous day in Playa. And if you want to learn more about the best of Playa, places to see, places to eat, sights to see, we have a great video on it. I'll add the link below. But now, let's talk about our return trip to the airport. We're going to take you on a step-by-step guide on how to book your return trip to Cancun International. Now you have a few options where to catch the Adio bus for your return trip. As you just saw, we arrived at Playa del Carmen Tourist. But on the return trip, we're going to go through Playa del Carmen Alterna, just because it's closer to our Airbnb, so just more convenient. And here's a quick look at the Playa del Carmen Adio Alterna bus station, and it's a little smaller than the Tourista bus station, and they do have bathrooms at the station. I believe it costs 5 pesos, and when you go in, check to make sure they have running water. If not, it can get a little grungy in there. Anyway, back to your trip. Make sure you know which terminal you're going to. They have a nice little list here that shows all the airlines and which terminal they'll be taking off from. And here's a quick look at the terminals at Cancún International Airport. And just in case you go to the wrong terminal, they do have a free shuttle bus between terminals. And here's the ticket I bought for this day. Okay, back to the website and our return trip. Like I just mentioned, we're going to be leaving from Playa del Carmen Alterna and going to Aeropuerto Cancun, Terminal 4. One thing I should mention here, the app and the website are both in Spanish, but they're pretty easy to navigate. But if you have any issues, make sure you have a Translate app or site available. But if you need to book your trip in English, you could always go on to busbud.com. I'll put the link below. The website is in English, and they have a lot more options as far as routes and bus companies. Okay, back to our booking. If you remember, our trip from the airport to Playa Tourista was 250 pesos, but our trip from Playa Alterna to Cancun Airport is only 240 pesos. 10 pesos less, I'll take that. So like before, we pick our best route and our seat. Next, we put in our name and email address, and then pay. Now, I've heard some people might have had difficulty when trying to pay with a foreign credit card. I haven't seen that, but if you have, please let us know in the comments below. Before you finish your booking, make sure you always check your date, your time, the bus station you're coming from and going to, then go ahead and pay. Okay, now it's time to find our bus and head to the airport. Well, there it is, on time. If you have no large luggage, just show the ticket and head on the bus. And if you do, you could put it in storage underneath the bus. Now all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy your about 1 hour trip to the airport. We also have a great review for the Mirror Lounge at the Cancun Airport. We'll list the link below. Fortunately for us, we were going to Terminal 4, the first stop on the bus, and we'll be flying with JetBlue. And in case you plan on traveling by bus to other cities in Mexico, check out the ADIO website. They have a nice map that shows all their destinations and routes. Now, some final thoughts. I find the ADIO bus a comfortable, convenient, and inexpensive way to travel around this region. Now, people have talked about the Maya train being a big competition for the bus. We'll have to check it out, review it, and see for ourselves. I hope this helps you the next time you travel to Cancun or Playa. Safe travels. Please subscribe, like, and share to keep up with all our latest travel news, tips, and reviews, and we do appreciate it as it does help support the channel.